Today on Second Growth Homes, we're here in Juneau, Alaska. Here's our old barge, and here is our new pontoons to build our new barge. So we're going to get them unloaded from the truck and put here onto our old barge and tow that back to Tenakee. They're beautiful.
Right? And then it'll create a loop inside. So when you roll it up and you winch it down, it's going to be tight, flat, and you're going to have a nice straight line.
That's what he did. Oh, yeah, I got to learn how to do that. Okay, all right, we got the straps off, and I put 2 straps on the first pontoon. So we're going to go ahead and hook up the crane and load our first pontoon. Whew! Okay, we got our first pontoon on the barge. The first one was a little dicey, so we'll video the next one, so it'll make a little better video. They're beautiful. I like those big boxy fronts on them. Okay, here we're getting the hardware package. So this is the cross members for the new barge, the aluminum pieces that span between the pontoons. And I think there's some hardware in there. So my dad's gonna swing this one over. God, they're gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Whoop, hold it. Let's go like a lot slower. Let's go way slower. Boom up. Real slow, boom up. Okay, stop. Winch up a little. It's just like slow down. You're gonna go winch up. Up. One more. Oh, hold it. Stop. 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 You want me to do it? You gotta stop.
No problem.
You gotta slow it down like 5 times too fast. Up. Stop. You're gonna slowly go over, real slow. Real slow. Whoa! Can I do it? It's gonna hit the other pontoon. You want me to do it? I'd love to. Oh, Dad. You want to just let me do it? I promise I won't let it touch anything. Jesus Christ. I think we should put it over there. Whatever you want. I think I would lay them all flat, but I think we should put the plywood on top of there. It won't hurt anything. Is it gonna get over far enough? I think I'm about all the way. I'll try a little more. This is such a cool, it's just such a perfect, it's a perfect load for this thing. The barge is way up in the air. What a cool thing to do with it. So this is one of our last trips with our old barge, and there's my dad's new barge that we're gonna build. Yeah, they look great. And I think we can put the plywood right on top. It'll be fine.
Put a strap over it. Yeah, it'll be great back there.
All right. Well, here's our new aluminum pontoons, and we use these barges. This is how we export our timber from Corner Bay to Juneau, or your remote cabin site across southeast Alaska. So that was fun. So this is step one. This is going to be a whole series of videos where we're gonna tow these now. We got to tow this for 65 miles down Chatham Strait to Tenakee Springs, Corner Bay, and then we're gonna unload them at Corner Bay with our forklift, and then we're gonna build this new barge using our milled timber. So it's gonna be a fun project. Stay tuned. It's absolutely beautiful morning here in Juneau, Alaska. So that was step one. We got our pontoons, my Subaru, got our pontoons loading up on the barge. So we're gonna go pick up a load of plywood from Home Depot and head for Tenakee. All right, guys and gals, thanks for coming with us here today at Second Growth Homes. Super exciting day for us. So My dad has just left the crane dock with the old barge and the new barge in tow. I'm gonna start up my sailboat here behind me, and we're gonna run out and meet him and tow the barge and the pontoons home to Corner Bay. So let's go ahead and get this show on the road. Thanks for coming with me today. Yeehaw! All right, that's looking great. Coming around Point Retreat. Dad's up ahead of me. You gotta watch my staysail. Yeah. Woo! Oh man, well, this is just as good as it gets. I never expected this to happen today, so here I am just rolling gently along the side of Admiralty Island and November 1st. It's warm with the sun. I mean, it's like 45 degrees. It's warm out here. It's beautiful, light gentle swells. It's like really great. It's like a great day cruising out here. I did not expect to get we're rolling. Big swell coming from down from Lynn Canal. Was beautiful out here. Slowed down just a little bit, so I'm at 2,200 RPMs. Just waiting to catch up to Dad. I see a boat right ahead of me, and I'm pretty sure it's him. I saw a boat over by the beach. I was like, is that Dad over there? Don't think so. No. Should be catching up. Catching up to him here. I see. I think I'm only going about 1 knot faster than him, so it's gonna take a little while. Look at this. It's like cruising. I love it. How good a time Dad's making. I mean, we are just flying down Chatham. He's still up ahead of me somewhere here. That's a beautiful video. This one's gonna make a YouTube video for sure. You can see the little dog poop in there. So you can see how fast we're going here with the foam under the bow. I'm pretty sure I'm looking at Dad up there now, but the last boat I thought was Dad was the troller. So I see a boat there. I'm pretty sure that's him. Giving her all she's good. We're going pretty fast. Change, you know. I was getting a little nervous there, I'm not gonna lie. This is great. So we have got the wind now, and we're gonna catch up to my dad. I'm gonna see how he's doing. I'm gonna make steak for dinner. It's gonna be a good day here at Second Growth Homes. Thank you for coming with me here today. We've come to the conclusion that that light right there is my dad and my family barge. He is not very far away. So we got him, and then there's another light up ahead of it that's a fish boat or something. So hopefully we're gonna get a